Hashtag laggy. Hopefully that was it. Yeah. Hopefully it's better. It's kind of going on and off. Is it fixed? Fix it. Hashtag fix it. I think we're gonna be okay here, guys. Very good. Man, so this is the second time that it's doing this. Let's see if this is the money one. 5 minute, we're bearish for sure. So, does it want to hold this style or not? 15? The problem is that we're in between. 15 minutes, like, nah, I'm not sure what I want to do. But we did bounce off the yellow pullback zone, so on the 15 minute. If this decides to break above and close, we could start ripping up again. But I'm not a fortune cookie here, so I will magic 8 ball. Unless you guys got one, then let's use it. But for now, we gotta just base it off of what we see. So it looks like it just does. It's just holding. It's holding this one. That's twice it tried to go through. It doesn't want to go through this one. And this is the same style this morning. It tried 3 times. He could pass this one, and we're at the same thing over here. Oh, magnet time? You're right. You're fucking right. My only issue is that I am lagging like crazy today. This is probably going to add fuel to the fire. Oh, shit. Too strong. Come on. Pull it up. I demand you to grow. Ooh, I know what we need right now. Is there something like with water? Like flower pot? Bro, they got paraplegic people in here. They got everything. Wow, there's so much shit in here. The sun. Just wait. Just wait. I got it. Shower. Oh, oh yes. Little water. Some little stems and seeds. Got all three things for life, baby. Did you just put toilet paper? I need a good pop to short, please. Yeah, I needed to go up. WSG? What does that mean? See this? The three symbols to life. Some sun, energy, agua, seeds. We're gonna sprout this mother fucker up. Life. We do need it to blast through this 5 though, Midget Cloud. So on the 1 minute, this was where we were looking at for the break above. It keeps fucking rejecting it though. If I can go in. What was I gonna do? Okay. It might be because it's so small. See how it just keeps trying to get past it? Why can't you just let me spread it to the right? Look at that, like magic. But we have another fair value gap here too. So this might want to just be retouching it. And we're going to be going to the upside along with my yellow zone here. So we have a little story that we have going on here. Finally breaks above. Got another fair value gap. It's holding up nicely above the green 1 minute. If we can break above this and hold, we should be good for the growth of Mother Earth. Shorts looking good still, you think? I don't know. I'm thinking up, bro. But short term, maybe long term, longer term. But 5 minute, you're right. This is what's throwing it off, dude. You got the 15-minute green cloud here. We did reject off the top of it, which indicates a low. It does. 5 minute, we definitely rejected. So we're going to have to see very soon what happens here. Damn, fucking trading views laggy. My whole computer's laggy today. I did leave it on for fucking 2 weeks. That's what I'm seeing. So I'm seeing both, you know, long and short. So I think both will be eventually winners. Whichever which way you guys want to go. There it goes. Grow, baby, grow. Oh, I'm commanding him. I'm commanding him. All right, this is the second attempt. We're above my area that I said that I would like for it to go up. Let's see how it reacts. Need some more water up here, though. Reach that moon, baby. That sun. The sun and the moon. I'm going to add one more on my top step X. I honestly think we're probably good to the 50. But we'll have to see on how it really reacts here. No, stop. Yes, there's a buy signal. Unless you can justify it, but it does look good, but I wouldn't take it the first one. All right, first one hit. Can we get the fuck out? Okay. Can we say daddy? 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 Let's see. We gotta see how it reacts here. It might not want to go further. Could have been the line in the sand there, but it looks like it's undecided right now. So we'll see real soon. I need a nice little extended pop. Let's see what the 5 is doing. All right, so we broke above. It's retouching the top of the cloud. This is going to determine on what it really wants, I think. It could come down here too and rebounce. But we'll have to judge it as it goes. Is this not moving again? That seems way off. Right? Unless it's lagging that much. I don't know. That's weird. Hashtag magnet trading. I like it. Like the ones in the YouTube. Need some more water. The sun is rising. We have growth. This is the original seed. It's sprouting. Sprouting? Spouting? Sprouting. Trying to think of the right word here. Sprouting. Come on, we look like we got a nice little little flag here on the 1. It should continue up. You see it? We got a nice flagpole. 2 pullbacks with a break of a previous candle high. We should launch a little bit. We should launch. Just got to get out of this fucking zone here. There you go. Close above. Got 40 seconds left. There you go. There you go, daddy. A little bit more. We're like almost there to what I originally wanted. I wanted the 45. We're almost there. What a good seedling. Could. But sometimes flooding doesn't work out very well for the some people. So did we hit the 45 here or no? Well, we're bouncing off here, so we're about to see real soon what's the next choice. If we start going down, then I won't like it. Hashtag daddy? I'm getting out. Why is my profit still running? That is scary. Need to concentrate very fast right here. It says everything's closed. Now I'm scared. No, we just rode this move all the way up. I mean, I'm glad I'm still in it, but how the fuck do I exit this? Let me go to Tradeovate real quick, see if everybody else is panicking. Maybe I should go to close open positions just in case. Fuck. Are any of you guys else having this issue? Top Step X is working good. I know Tradeify just said something too. Let's see what they're saying. I just don't want this to fucking crumble on me. I'm gonna fucking panic. I've done close all fucking... Yeah, I did all that. It's not working. Never had this issue. I also went to the website, Take Profit Trader, and I did emergency exit all too. It's still not working. But on my Tradeivate on TradingView it says I'm out. Yeah, you're right. I should screenshot it. Maybe the magnet's too strong. That's what's going on. Too much growth. Too much cloud seeding. Oh man. Yeah, you're right. Maybe I'll do that. Log out. Let's try to log back in. Dude, this is dumping on me. This shit better not be fucking... It looks like it's out. Okay. Oof. I still feel like I had more profit than that though. It's kind of in panic mode right there, right? Top Sec X got out instantly. Alright, so that worked. Cool. Fat Bastard saves the day again. I did go through all the other shit too, just in case. And Libs had a good point too. Libs on Discord said screenshot it just in case. I did. Alright, here's your short, I think. So, let's see if we can... My only issue is that this didn't break a high, right? Like, it didn't break anything. So I'm not very comfortable with shorting this right now. Hashtag safe. Hashtag safe. Whoa. Whoa. Let's see how much the other live traders have people in theirs. I'm kind of up there, but bro, I gotta be smoking these other people. There's no fucking way. I mean, there might be like maybe more money, but my win rate is fucking, knock on wood. This guy's got 64 fucking people. Like, what do you want? What do you want? It's all good. We're making money, right? Small group, making money. Making money. 15 people. I saw different 4 people short when you were long. Exactly. Exactly. Daddy knows what he's doing. But this does look very short here too, so we just gotta see. It might be transitioning to what Mr. Bastard was saying before with the short. Like, I don't think you're wrong at all. But there's too many different things going on right now. Like, if you go on each chart, like this was short and now it transitioned to long. But now we're back in this pullback zone where this can fall down completely. How the fuck I move this? Move it, baby. I had 93 people. I'm wondering if my view is all fucked up too. Call it a day, fam. You up nice? Yeah, I'm usually pretty good with my money management. If we want to continue to trade, we can. Oh, if Texas Brown Eyed Girl says no, then she says what goes. She's an OG. Yeah, if I wasn't good at money management, I would completely agree with you, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. So we're right back into this area that we struggled the entire morning. And there's our flag. Let's see. I'm kind of liking this. But we'll have to damn, my shit is so laggy. As soon as we're done with the stream today, we are resetting. Okay, no good yet. No good yet. We do have this, but I don't know. What do you guys think? You want way higher, 984s. The problem is this zone here. You see this blue zone? This is the big boy pullback. This is the higher. See this big zone here? This is why we keep getting stuck. This is the 68 to 78% pullback on the larger swing, and we're just not getting the momentum in there. We are now on the fifth, sixth time trying to get up here. Damn, this shit's so fucking laggy. Come on. But you see how we're rejecting it again, so let's see. Let's do a little scalp. Oof. That was really slow reacting. Very, very small scalp. Let's see. If it closes below this, I'm going to just take the loss. By my experience, I think it's going to go lower. We're in limbo right now. Mrs. Brown, we're in limbo. Oh, look at you going back and forth. Powers, what you trying to go up or down? What made you get in low? Down. Just curious. Because I was long for a while. This is fighting, so I don't know. I can't answer for you on that aspect. We're right at that spot again. Most likely he's going to reject. But Powers, what made you get in short? And how much are you down? You can message me in Discord if you want. But we'll all take it as a learning experience too at the same time if you want to share it. All right, let's see. Oh, she's fucking mobily trading. Let's see. $235. We got an 892. You got it really low. 892. Am I seeing that right? 21,892. Where the F did you get in down here? Oof. I don't know, girl. You held that really far. You were doing so well, young lady. You were doing so well. So, I got out 881. Did you get in on this short? 880. I know it got choppy, but as soon as if for some odd reason, if you can see my screen where you got in, you probably got in the second short. Unfortunately, that was the one that wasn't the winner. And the reason why we looked at this area was because it was the 50% pullback. But unfortunately, it's just going to happen sometimes, this second short here. So you should have closed right here. And if you didn't and it came back down, then you probably should have closed again when it came back up. The good thing is that you're still only $235 in a loss, and it's all the way up here, so it's really good. You talking to me, Holmes? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm trying to help out Powers in and whatever, but this, ooh, see, we finally dropped below. This might be the fucking drop. Ah, man, I really want to short this. Let's see. That's the first one. Okay, we're going in on this, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
We're going on this. I mean, if we want to go from top to bottom, 923 is our target.
Order filled.
But if we want to play it safe, and Powers, if you wanted to add one contract into it, you can, but I don't know. I don't want you to get too deep in this if it goes the wrong way. Does that make sense, guys? So I gotta get rid of this somehow. So this is what I'm seeing. Again, we're trying to get through this zone up here. We cannot. We tried it numerous times. We thought maybe we could do it before, but we couldn't. Complete downfall. We are trying to do it again. If I were to measure this move back up, let's see. Just curious to see what it was. Way past the 61 into the 78s. Oh, look at that, daddy. Who the fuck's your daddy? I wish I got in a little more. So perfect 61 to 78% pullback. Break below. You see this flag here? You VIP members will be getting this. We just have to just want to perfect it a little bit more. It broke these highs that I was looking for. Couldn't hold. Came down, broke below fair value gap, and now we're looking for at least the first one. We got to see how it reacts to here. This is a huge one here. Damn, that was a pretty big, hard reversal. Might want to just come back up, get more momentum. Let's see how it reacts here. What the fuck is this shit? Get off my screen. I'm in a short. I'm sorry, I know there's a lot going on my screen. I'm in a short, user. I can zoom in a little bit more. We're in a short up here. You can still get in here. If it pulls back up a little bit more, you can enter a little bit better. I'm hoping for the 50%. But this just bounced off of this really hard. I'm a scalper, I'm sorry. I try to say it out loud what I'm doing. I'm gonna go one more.
Order filled.
Alright, let's see what happens here. It needs to break through. It is not getting the momentum. Or it's getting the momentum and it's fucking just getting smacked in the face here. But it needs to come down more, I think. So I'm going to stick to what I was believing before. I'm in a short. I'm in a short. Patiently waiting, guys. Patiently waiting. This was the breakthrough. It could want to test up here and come back down. Or I could be fucking wrong and it just that was it. Let's see. I mean, we are so far away from this VWAP, so it needs to come back a little bit of an average. So if it came back down, Powers, I wouldn't be surprised. So you might be okay. It kind of makes me want to put these down lower. For that break. It's probably going to be dramatic if it does. Was it 21.9? I don't know if it's going to go back to what you wanted before. But it's going to get close. And guess what? That would be the 161.883. Most likely, if it wants to fucking rip this, it's probably going to come down. You guys see what I'm saying? Or am I making shit up? All right, so we're below that second one again. Really just want to just keep continuing down. I can't even fucking spread this one out. All right, first one hit. Needs to get below this and start just cranking. Needs to crank below this area. There's your one short. I guess you could justify going into this as that short because it's a really nice downfall, but usually I like to wait to the second one. Just to confirm it. I mean, you could probably put it along with our bias to the downside anyway. Yeah, it was pretty hard today. But we've been reading the markets pretty good recently. Powers, are you there like rooting? Rooting for this? Let's go. $21,883. Hopefully we sweep it before close. 21,883. Let's see where your 21,883 is. Yeah, I can see it going down here. I can literally probably see it going to here. The old. Oh, You had that hit too. Look at that. Weird. Did you take that from me, or did you draw that yourself? Because that's to the fucking point. Are you a witch? Oof. Violent rip up. It's probably going to do this back and forth a little bit. That's pretty weird. Yeah, I can see that too. I'm going for more of a safety swing down, take these lows, but this 1.61 is definitely a target for the extension. I'm actually curious now to look out. I mean, there's a lot of resistance all over the place at that area. All right, we need to take another low here. It's kind of sticking at this. Needs to break this and continue down. Hey, if you guys are not following me, help me out. Give me a follow on TikTok, Twitch, or YouTube. And hit that screen a few times. Show me some love. Show me some love. Thanks for the follow. Appreciate you. We gotta watch this break below. It looks like it wants to ping pong in. If it holds this area, then it could get a little sketch, guys. So break above here, probably wrong. So let's see. Oof, I was down 1K into the trade and it went all the way back down. I hate that. Yeah. They're playing games. They're playing games. Might have to do some magnet fishing again. Need some help. There you go. No. Did it come back? I know it was lagged out right there. Die, mother effer. Don't you want to play with the unicorns down here? It's still blank. It might be lagging just for a second. It should be back. Keep getting some little mini lag spikes. I was up like 700 when it made that previous push down. Oof. If you're doing well like that, it seems like your issue is just size down a little bit. 700 in one move is a lot of money, and most likely you're just gotta tone it down. You might be a good trader. You just need to tone it down a little bit, get out the emotions. I mean, I've taken trades slowly today. You don't see me. I'm only in 2 contracts here. We're up almost $1,000. Well, that's just this account. I got my Top Step X. I'm up 500. So you don't need to go crazy. Remember, sometimes slower is better. You go in too deep, you end up losing, and guess what? You just lost time. You just lost time. This is a warrior right here. Says cross this fucking line here and you're gonna get it right up the butthole. JJ, what prop firm? The only time I recommend to do that, what you're doing, is if it's the 90% off or the really cheap one, 80% off. Then you could do the 1-day pass, and I get it. But don't do it too many times. Set yourself a limit. Like no more than 5. Dude, this is very good. If this short holds, very good. This is going to be unicorns. Praise the unicorns. We also want some meat down here. Some unicorn meat. With some bacon. Other than libs on Discord, can you guys see my screen? Oh, your screen. Oh, shit. I don't know, dude. It is pretty laggy.
Hey, Mike, what is that?
Oh, Top Step is very expensive. Just go slow. If you're getting up that much money, you're going to do good. Just need to slice it down a little bit. That's all. I'm definitely lagging though too, so if you guys are getting some black screens, it's like this whole thing is caca. Nice, you're trading alongside of me. I like this, Powers. I like this. So are you gonna risk taking out some of that? Your take profit right there, or are you gonna see if it comes down a little more? Powers. I see that you're just going to accept that little bit of a loss, I guess. There you go. Yeah, it's very laggy. So New York. I don't even know if that's New York, is it? Let's see. I guess we could go down to here. I don't know where it's going. I'm trying to play it safe. I mean, we're at 344. It can go to 883s too, so I don't know. I'm trying to like to see what I want. I don't know what I want. Because, you know, the time is ticking a little bit here. Ooh, then we got our orange here. Let's see if we can get some yellow candles, which means over. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, come to unicorn. Come here, baby. Oof. They made a new low, so just be careful. Well, a new low for the ranging market here. We really need this to close down here. Let's see. There might have just been some profit taking. Come on, unicorn. I really wanted it to go down a little further. I don't like that. What do you guys think? It did make a new low. We got this flag here. It was pretty much... It broke the low. It did break the low. I just thought it would have been a little bit more. Let's see. We'll have to wait and see just a little bit more. Like right now, there's no gap I'm seeing here for the upside, so I'm thinking lower. I'm thinking lower. Yeah, I'm gonna see. We'll see right here. Oof. There you go, daddy.
Order filled.
There you go. I need it lower, though. I need it lower. I know I'm not in it, but I would like this to go just a little bit lower into unicorn heaven. With some bacon and some meat. And then we'll look for a reversal. Fucking beautiful. Got out on Top Step X. We're up $600. Cash money. We're up 1,063. If I showed you guys my stats, you guys would be like, holy shit. It's insane right now. I got 98.51% win rate. Just be careful. I don't know what it wants to do here. I mean, I don't see any fair value gap here for the uproar. So it kind of shows me it wants to go lower. But I'm not sure. It's not always the case, you know what I mean? So just be careful. Just be careful. It might come back up. Let's look in the 5. I mean, we got 1 minute and 45 seconds left. I would say if it starts to break above this, then it's probably done. But it's a 5-minute chart, so it's hard. But we're still looking low. We're still looking low here. You play MOC? What's MOC? You mean the news MOC? The Fed balance? That's at 4:30. That one's probably rough to trade. This needs a huge candle down, so you guys might be lucky and get this. I don't even know if it's luck. It might just be real. Do 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 do.
balance, and features
30 seconds. Let's see. You're right. Let's see. 350. There's gonna be an imbalance that they're gonna adjust. So, oh, there's that short into fucking unicorn heaven. Unicorn meat for everybody. Unicorn meat for everybody. I took this with my camera. I'm sorry if it's not fucking unicorn meat. Guys, I don't want to jinx myself, but I just want to show this. I took a picture with my phone. Look at that fucking stats, baby. I'll move it. I'm sorry, I'm blocking the price here. I'm blocking the unicorn meat. I don't see I don't see anything here yet for the reversal. Damn, where the fuck did I go? Nope, nope. I lost it. But yeah, 98.51% win rate out of 67 fucking trades. Let's go. Let's fucking go. All right. Yeah, that was very fast. It just wanted to touch the unicorn. Maybe it's a little scared, you know? Sometimes they kick. If usually about 355 we'll start to see the reversal if it wants to. We don't know which way it's going to go, so horn. Understood. It might be scaring it. How about we just cook this bad boy? Party down here. We might have to put some more fear into it. If it closes above this, guys, I will not feel safe. Okay? So keep that in mind. If you guys are still in this, 919s, 920, above that, I will not feel good. But it just rejected the shit out of it. So, very good. Looks like we got a new path going here. We might come back down to touchdown area. $21,887. Oh damn, valid trades. You went deep, bro. Nice. 2.2. All right, here we go. Here we go. See, I didn't see nothing. I didn't see nothing up here. That's why I was. Can you make it where your thing auto close and enter the trade the other way for a flag, at least for a small period of time? That would be like auto trading. That's where it gets a little sketch when it comes to selling shit, if that makes sense. I'm not ready for that road yet. But you can alert. Ooh, so guys, be careful. This is probably the imbalance right now. I don't know if you guys got out of it or what. I mean, 892 should have been it.
Smart enough to beat the market? Then you're smart enough to know that even Renaissance Technologies, the world's most successful hedge fund, relies on algorithms, not human traders. While retail traders spend countless hours analyzing charts, watching economic news, and trying to time their entries perfectly, billion-dollar funds are processing millions of data points in milliseconds. The human mind, no matter how disciplined or experienced, simply can't compete with that level of speed and precision. What's even more interesting? Well, these funds aren't just making more trades, they're making smarter ones. By removing human emotion and bias from the equation, they're achieving the kind of consistent returns that traditional traders struggle to match. But here's where it gets interesting. This technology, once exclusive to billion-dollar hedge funds, is finally becoming accessible to small investors. And one company is leading the revolution. Meet Corvado, an AI-powered trading algorithm that's been consistently outperforming billion-dollar hedge funds for the past 3 years. Want to see how it works? Click below to watch a free demonstration. And don't worry, we back everything with a 60-day guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied with the performance, you get every penny back. The way I see it, you've got two choices. Keep trading the old way and hope for the best, or
ever again. I meant Zillow. Look at this cutie. And it's in budget. Check out that bathroom. Get ready with me.
Guys, I'm so sorry. I had a fucking phone call. So yeah, I hope you guys listened to me before and got out. I said close above this, and I'm not feeling comfortable. 920s. 920s. I didn't like it. But that would have been a nice upside. It's still risky. Now, if we wanted to look what's happening now, and remember, there's gonna be there's more news at 4:30. So we're right at the 78% pullback. This might want to come back down to the 922s again. Well, I can't take Top Step X anymore because they're fucking closing. I don't know if I want to give back any money just in case. Maybe I'll just talk about it. I don't like going too far out like this. It makes the chart too sloppy. I couldn't get off the phone, so I tried putting the scissors. Did you guys get what I was trying to say? Hopefully it worked. So, flag pattern. First candle that has a fair value gap sends it up, and it was right here, right there. This might want to come back and touch. Did you get out? Hopefully most of that power is. I never got a buy. You mean for my signals here? These? That's because the trend isn't strong enough yet. This is just a little pop. It's way too wild and it's not sure. Yeah. So most of the time, it's when it starts trending in a good way. So like this short was amazing. And you could see that it was holding it really well. Now we might get a buy if it holds this area for a little bit and then starts going up. But later on in the day, and when we start losing volume, is when the signals start to go a little bit trashy, so we'll wait. But if we want to look at this whole entire thing here, the pullback zone would be 912s. 912s. Manipulation to the downside, and now it's going to grab the liquidity from upside. Hell yeah. You know what? I'm starting to be like, I'm a little annoyed by that. But if you starting to... This fucking indicator's been rocking, by the way. This fucking flag one. It's been doing pretty fucking good. It took me quite a while to code this one. Quite a while.
The market is closed.
Top Step X is closed. I think I am due for a payout on them, but I don't know if I want to build my account up a little bit more. Hashtag win. Can I do hashtag daddy? Daddy. So the markets haven't been easy, but they're a little bit spread out for me, so I can see this much better. Like a month ago, it was like, fuck. Dude, it was like this. I couldn't find a pattern from my life. And that's going to happen, and you need to realize it. So, like, the pattern used to be like this. This white line will be like, oh, we're going up. Like this, and then go up. And then all the way down, twist around, do a little circle loop. That's how the fucking market was. But recently... Yes, it's choppy, but we've been getting these reversal zones pretty dope. So I can't complain, and we're trading small. You guys see, we're not doing anything crazy. You know, if the market starts seeing a little bit easier to read, maybe we'll start fucking ripping into it. Let's see, we're starting to get a buy signal here. So this is the first one. I usually want a clarification on what's good, but we can maybe go one in.
Order filled.
I kind of usually like to do this. I mean, we're kind of low. I don't know. Maybe it wasn't a good idea. especially because of this box. But as long as we're above this cloud, we're okay. We go below the cloud, we'll get the fuck out. Daddy, stop! Back to life, back to reality. We'll see how it reacts here. How you guys on Twitch and YouTube do? How you guys on Twitch and YouTube do? Back to life, back to reality. Oh, we got some more joiners. Welcome, Jay. Welcome, X-Paven. Yeah, I got a Discord, guys. If you guys want to stay in touch, ask questions later on. I got a little bit of a beginner knowledge, no section, but it's just videos of YouTube, and then I'm going to fill in the blank. Making a fucking tutorial video, this sounds extremely a lot of work. I don't know if that's lazy to say, but there's so many online. I'm like, just Google it. There's so many basics on there on how to trade futures. And then, obviously, then you can just adapt to my style. You're not going to find my style online that much, though, so just to let you know. But the basics you guys need. All right, we're going to delete this because this is absolutely not it. I could be wrong in this, guys. I could be wrong in this. It's got to hold the line right here. We got one of a kind here. You know what, Powers? You're one of a kind. You're one of a kind. Back to life, back to reality. A1 steak sauce? Yep. Did you end up singing it when I got off? My steaks don't need everyone. Yes. Ha! I knew it. Uh-oh. This is starting to go below. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong, guys. Looks like I might be wrong here. Yeah, I'm going to get out. Sorry if you guys took that one.
Order
I
filled.
should have known a little better on that one. It could bounce off this too. Kind of bothers me. Makes me want to get it back. Damn, there's the bounce. I knew it. We need timber back. Oh, man. The problem what happened, Valid Trades, is I keep getting copyrighted, and I don't know if that's what's flagging me. Especially TikTok. I think you were in there. When I used to have like 100 followers a day live, and then it just diminished. It disappeared on me. So I'm like trying to fix it, and I don't know why. But I miss those timber days. Miss them. Maybe I'll get off all social media and just go on Discord and play it real quick. Yeah, it's just I don't know what is going on with the algo, but it's been messing me up, man, really bad. I was blowing up. I think it was starting to like mess with my trading just a tad bit. And then I said, what the fuck you doing, bro? Man up. Because I'm like, yo, nobody's watching you because you suck. But I'm like, don't let it get to you. If you build it, they will motherfucking come. What movie is that from? We got 10 more minutes until the news comes out, and then we'll be done for today. We will be on tomorrow. And if it gets hot tonight, maybe we'll pop on tonight. I don't know. We're still up in the air. Might want to go swim in the pool and relax outside, enjoy the weather. Maybe walk the dogs for a bit, you know? Get that freedom in your fucking bloods. Smell the fresh air. See, I don't know if you guys see it, but like my mindset, you got to change your mindset too. You got to stay positive. Got to stay positive. We will be on tomorrow at 9:30. And probably be on until about 11:30, and then maybe get off for an hour, work out, eat, come back, trade the rest of the day. I mean, I think we had a pretty good, decent second half, right? We made another, what was it, like $400, $300 when I came back. Discord, TikTok, YouTube, and Twitch. Live trading, scalping, 1 minute futures. And what's the is there any like large news tomorrow? I don't even know. I gotta see, I gotta check. Tomorrow's Friday. How's this music too? Is it too much? I feel like it's just right in the middle. A little bit intense. ADVE. Oh, that sounds like a meme coin, bro. Back to life, back to damn, look at this. Right to my original zone. I hate when I do that. Right to the original zone here. Got 10 minutes left.
Do not pay your next car insurance bill. Repeat, do not.
How'd you do today, Libs?
So I found this website and look at the difference.
Yeah, it was trash, that one. I do have some rules. First buy signal we usually don't take. But it looked really juicy. I mean, I should have known it's already, what was it, 412. And also, it closed below the cloud, so we got out. We got out. Holmes, not good. Down 200 for being scared and moving up. Might take profit too soon and then jumping back in. Oh, you got a little, I got you. It happens, bro. But 200 ain't shit, man. That's really good. Honestly, I keep trying to tell you guys, if you guys are losing like $200 or less, not bad. Unless you were up a lot. Like if you were up 1,000 and now you're down 200, then you know, you gotta learn when to just sit on your hands just for a bit. all right. And plus, it's a new account you have, right? That's fucking live. Don't get the jitters. Take your time. Take a couple breathers. Couple breathers. Just relax. Let it come to you. Don't change your style. So there will be times where it's acting different. And you just got to realize that it's not working. It's not working. And it happens to me. It happens to me. Like my signals, for instance. It wasn't working for a couple weeks. It wasn't. I mean, it would have saved you money. But it happens. It's just the market's off right now. It doesn't know what it wants. Powers, your day was awful? I thought you got it back. I thought you got it back. Oh, not all? How much you down for today? Hey Beezy. Hashtag WWW Smackdown. So you're down $200 today? WWW Smackdown. Okay, I'm sorry. My day was awful. Not all $200 loss. So it's getting smaller. It's getting smaller. But what happened? I thought you were up a couple $100 today. And I want to go over something with you here too. Did you get in on this short here? This is when I got off and it came right down to my area. We made good money and then I walked away. Did you get in on one of these shorts? Powers? This is around 11:25 Eastern. Okay. So, I know it sucks to lose, right? I do. I get it. But when you get on this second short and it closes above the cloud, you should have closed right here. You only want to have like what? A $30 loss? But say you did hold it. Maybe you went to the 5-minute chart, right? You went to the 5-minute chart and you saw the cloud was right there and it was bouncing off. So you held it for a little bit. But as soon as it came back down and you had this orange and yellow candles here, you should have took profit here, right? Should have been a loss. But if you did hold it, you should have took profit here. Or it still would have been a loss, actually. It just happened to be that this was the bottom. And it sucks. And it happens. It happens. So you don't hold it all the way through up here. And you have a fucking mini horrible panic attack all day. I know that feeling. I get it. But we got down pretty good here. Yep, it's alive and learn lesson. Exactly. But it's better to learn with these prop firms for sure, because if that was your real money, you would really be having a fucking tripping. I'm falling. I can't get up. So yeah, so these are the rules. Signals. Usually we take the second one unless you can justify it. Like this one, you saw this? You see how I had this trend line going across and then it popped and bounced off the trend line? Then we had a short. You can take that. You just need to lower your risk on that. And then we got out when? When the candle turned yellow and orange, indicating extremely oversold, which is a potential for reversal. Now, say this didn't come here and the candle closed above the cloud. We have to get out. We need some set of rules here. Candle closed above the cloud, you got to get out. Unless there's some wild explanation you can come up with, you got to be careful. And remember, if you are trading the signals and you have more than one wrong, like 2 wrong in a row, it ain't working. There's probably a fucked up market and you should probably walk away for a bit. Sit on your hands. And guess what happened? All these things were, it turned into real chop. You can see all this gray market, really choppy. So now what can we do? Signals aren't working. Fibonacci time. We can start to see if it's bouncing off. You can see that we had a lot of bears here. They actually worked out pretty well. And then you do stop losses above the swing highs. And then we have one more that's coming out, and that's these yellow flags here. I just need more time on it. I like to perfect things before I release it, especially if you guys are in the paid section, you know? But we've been fucking murdering it with these flags lately. Murdering it. Murder, she wrote. Murder, she wrote. So yeah, they've been kind of picking out the tops here. And if they don't, we still wait for the confirmation anyway. So this one maybe have gotten shady if we got into this. And I'm still working on that. We got to see. That's why I don't want to really see it. Because, you know, we still have some kinks that we got to get through here. I'm sure this was a 5-minute here too, cloud. So if we wanted to be safe and we got in here, you can see that it kind of rejected into the cloud. So we could have taken profit on that. So I'm still working out on profit targets for that. I mean, so far we've been fucking killing it on that, so I can't really complain. All right, 4:30. Let's see what the news is. I know there was some news. 16:30 Fed balance sheets. Looks like it wants to go to the downside. Over 80 on YouTube. How often do you stream? So I have a career job and I work 4 on and 4 off. So it rotates. So eventually I'll be on for 4 days in a row, and then it'll be 3, 2, and then back to 3, back to 4. But in Discord, if you want to join my Discord, I will talk about what I see during the day, at least through text messaging. And then we'll go from there. But it's different every week. I'll be on tomorrow. I might pop on tonight too. I don't even know. Later, Powers. You're doing better. Trust me. You're doing better. We just got to nip some of those things in the butt, and I think you're going to be good. All right, guys. My dinner is ready. might be on later. Not sure. I don't know. I might enjoy the weather outside. The weather outside is frightful. Dinner. Din din. Yeah, early for you. Not early for me. It's 4:30. Yeah. Plus I'm into like not yeah, I guess I could say bodybuilding. So I'm like 240. I need to eat. I need to eat. I'm a big boy. Nah. I don't even know, honestly. I go check. She's off today, so usually I cook, but it's her turn. Usually I'll be starting to cook dinner now. The news was that it was higher, but nothing fucking happened, so completely useless. Completely useless. All right, guys, I'm going to get off. If I get on tonight, I'll message you guys. If not, I will be on tomorrow at 9:30 Eastern, New York. And if you guys are following me on TikTok, help me out. Help me out. Give me a follow. If not, I shouldn't even say if not. Get out. But join my Discord if you want to. We can chat in there all the time. All right, guys. Adios.